Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. This is Sadhna for Social Science. Our today's topic is moving near and far. In this video, we will learn about the need for means of transport, the means of land transport, the means of water transport, and the means of air transport. We often need to go from one place to another for different purposes. We need a vehicle for this if the place is not at walking distance. We also need vehicles to carry goods from one place to another. So, vehicles which carry people and goods are called means of transport. We choose a means of transport according to our need and requirement. The means of transport are grouped into three categories: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Let us know about these means of transport one by one. Land transport. Vehicles that move on land are called means of land transport. We can group them into roadways and railways. Roadways. Most of the vehicles move on roads. They carry people and goods within a village or a city, or from a village or to another city. Nowadays, most of the cities and villages are connected to each other by roads. A number of bicycles, scooters, rickshaws, cars, buses, trucks, etc. move on these roads. We use bicycles, rickshaws, scooters, cars, etc. to travel for short distances. However, car and buses are also used to travel to distant places. Trucks are used to send goods from one city to another. One of the main advantages of the means of roadways is that they provide their service from one doorstep to another. Railways. Indian Railways has connected most of the cities through railway tracks. A number of passenger trains and goods trains run on these tracks. People prefer trains to travel long distances. However, local trains are also available in big cities to carry passengers from one point to another point of the city. Metro trains have become very popular means of transport in some big cities of India like Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, Mumbai, Jaipur, etc. These trains move under the ground as well as on elevated rail tracks. Monorail is the latest means of public transport system. It was first started in Mumbai. Water transport. The vehicles which move on water are known as means of water transport. Boats, motorboats, and steamers sail in rivers. These means of water transport are used for short distances. Ships carry a number of passengers and bulky goods from one country to another. Means of water transport are the cheapest but the slowest means of transport. A ship needs a port to be loaded and unloaded. Thus, a ship that carries goods is called a cargo ship. Air transport. The vehicles which fly in the air are known as means of air transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the main means of air transport. Aeroplanes are used to carry people and perishable goods from one place to another within the country or from one country to another. An aeroplane needs an airport to take off and to land. A helicopter does not need an airport to take off or land, so it is used to carry people and goods in those areas where airport is not available. Helicopters are used to rescue people during floods. They are also used to send food and medicines to people who are stranding during the natural calamities.